Stephen! Stephen! You asleep? Wake up! In this video, we're going to go through how to export your videos in Premiere Pro. When you've finished editing your video and you're happy with everything, you just need to export it. So the simplest way of doing this is first, make sure that you are clicked on the timeline and you have the blue outline on the timeline window. Go up to File, Export and Media. This will open up the export settings box. For format, I would choose H.264, but there's loads of other formats and it all depends on what you're exporting for. So if you look in here, you've got animated GIFs, you've got ProRes files. H.264 is what most people will need. Under the quality, you can change this. So if you need it to be, if it's going directly to YouTube, you can choose the YouTube settings or Vimeo. If you want something, most people will probably choose match source high bit rate. And here it will give the bit rate of how much is going out. However, I would choose high quality HD just to make sure that you keep the quality. Then, to make sure it goes in the right place, click on the blue. It will be blue here. If you've named your sequence, it will be the name of your sequence. If you click there, you can then choose where you want it to export to. So for me, I want it to export to the tutorial as example. I've created a new folder called Exports. So make sure that you have a folder that is just for your exports. And then I'm going to name this Skate 2, because I've already done one. Now the reason you'll name this 2, 3, 4, 5, you might name it draft 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is just so you know what draft is which and what version of the things are. Click Save and then click Export and it will export to the location. Another way to just set up the export window is to use a shortcut on your keyboard. On your keyboard, just push Command and M for Mac users and it will bring the export settings box up straight away. From here you can also, instead of exporting direct from Premiere, you can also add it to a queue. So make sure that everything is set up correctly and click Save and then go to Queue. This will open up something called Media Encoder. So how Media Encoder works is you can queue up lots of different videos to export. So if you're editing all day and you've got lots of different scenes, or you're editing a corporate video with lots of different parts of the video, this is a great way of lining up all your videos to export all at once, and you can keep on editing while this is exporting. So in here it will line up each one. If you want to change the settings, you can come back to here and change the settings, change the name, and it will change it here. You can also change where it goes to, and when you're happy you hit play and it will start exporting each one after it's finished. It also now means you can go back to Premiere Pro and you can continue to edit while this is exporting, which should improve your workflow. So that was the basics on how to export using Media Encoder or using Premiere Pro. Come back for the next video for more hints and tips.